In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to pay less for Nordvpn with Nordvpn deals for 2025. Whether you're looking to secure your internet connection for privacy or access content from different regions, getting Nordvpn at a better price is always a fantastic idea. So, let's delve into some of the best strategies to save money on your Nordvpn subscription. The first step to snag great deals on Nordvpn is to use the official Nordvpn deals page. A well-kept secret among savvy users is that NordVPN regularly updates this page with exclusive deals not found anywhere else. To access these, all you need to do is go directly to nordvpn.com/pricing deal. This dedicated page is a treasure trove of promotional offers that usually come with significant discounts, giving you a head start in saving some bucks on your subscription. NordVPN is known for running exclusive, limited time offers throughout the year. Some of the most common discounts include whopping reductions like 70% off on a 2-year plan. That's an excellent option if you're looking for long-term coverage at a fraction of the original cost. Furthermore, if a shorter commitment is more your style, you can enjoy around 56% to 63% off on 1-year plans. These offers are constantly refreshed, so make sure you're checking back regularly to catch the best deal available. Another great perk that NordVPN often throws in with its deals is additional 3 months of service tacked onto your plan at no extra charge. It's like a little bonus gift that makes the entire package even more attractive. If that's not enticing enough, consider waiting for popular shopping holidays such as Black Friday, Cyber Monday, and New Year sales, when NordVPN typically offers its most substantial discounts. Moving on to another savvy saving strategy, be patient for holiday or seasonal promotions. NordVPN provides its most significant discounts during major shopping events. These include not just Black Friday and Cyber Monday, but also Christmas, New Year's, back to school, summer sales, as well as US specific holidays like the 4th of July and Memorial Day. Timing your purchase around these events can take your savings to another level. Finally, don't forget the power of discount and coupon codes. Websites like Groupon often list potential NordVPN coupon codes, which can then be applied at checkout to lower the price even further. It's an easy extra step that could end up saving you quite a bit of money. By following these tips, you'll be well on your way to securing a great deal on your NordVPN subscription. We hope you feel a bit more empowered to shop smart and save big on quality VPN protection. Thanks for watching and happy browsing.